Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Got something here in the living room here that we're trying this year to get us some fresh vegetables for the winter. So what I did is I took some of the shelving units from downstairs, one of the half high ones. So I made this here, and this is one of those reflective insulators that go across the windshield to keep the heat out. It also works great for reflecting light back and keeping heat in on this. So what I have here is got a little half 15-gallon barrel down here that I'm growing some Grand Rapids lettuce in. And here I got the Black Seed Simpson lettuce. And I got the Rainbow Swiss chard over here. I'm just starting out. It's actually doing pretty well, better than I thought it was going to be doing here. I got 2 grow lights on it. Got one 4-foot one down here, and one up here on the top here. Let me pull that one down so you can see it. And so this is what it looks like. And back up there we go. And so my daughter's already harvested a bit from the Grand Rapids here, but the lighting here is throwing the coloring off a little bit. So you know the grow lights, but it gets a nice bit of a light in the morning from the morning sun coming up on the east side of the house here, and it's actually doing pretty well. Like I said, a lot better than I expected. So if you have a window, this is probably a good idea. You can pick up one of these racks. It's twice as tall. It's a 5-shelf rack we got from Sam's Club, and so I just took the top half off with the 2 of the shelves and brought it up here for this. So once I set the shelves up here, then I recycled some plastic muffin containers from Sam's. They're you get six of the big giant muffins in there. So, but anyways, I just split them apart, put these up here, and so this keeps the excess water from going all over the place. Brain fart. Oh, I had somebody come over and visit me here. Saw me filming. This is Oliver. He's 7 months old, and he is cutting a lower tooth there. So, anyways, and he likes the lettuce too. So, we're gonna see how the stuff grows. The upper ones here, I forgot to water them for a couple days, but I know probably next year I'll just put a couple more of the bigger containers that hold more dirt and hold the moisture better, and that'll work better for next year. So I'm already learning new things. The 6-inch pots are good for starting and taking them outside, but as far as keeping them growing for the winter, it's not going to work. But the half of the 15-gallon little barrel here works great. So, as always, everyone, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out the end screen coming up here with some other videos you might like to look at. Alrighty, take care. Bye.